Yeah, I agree. I just feel like sometimes people use that as maybe their excuse that they can't get started because there's not some like rich person in their life, wealthy person who's going to walk them, every step through the way. Like most of us don't have that. We just have to look to other people for mentors, again, whether they know it or not. And then you have to physically do the work.
Yeah, totally. Yeah, and take the risk, right? So there was a guy that was in our town. I'm sure it was one of many of his houses. But, supposedly he was a billionaire. And I offered to work for the guy, to mow lawns, wash cars, do everything I could for him just to sit in his office for 1 hour of silence. I didn't want to say anything. I just wanted to hear what he's talking about, right? So even if you don't have the mentor, having the guts to go out there, having the risk of getting rejected and saying like, yo, I'd like to know what you do, but I don't want to take up any of your time. I have nothing to offer you that's of value other than just like, assistant work.